here's the thing. To get this car started, you not only need fuel, oil, coolant, and battery power, you also need help from the gearbox. At the minute, at the front of the car, we've got 12 volts at this AGM battery. That's good at the minute. But the car won't start because the car's actually stuck in first gear. The car's stuck in first gear because apparently if the battery goes flat and then also the supercapacitor goes flat, because the supercapacitor holds some charge to keep everything alive, then sometimes this little ECU, well, we call it a TCU because it's a transmission control unit, that falls asleep and doesn't wake back up again. So because that's fallen asleep and doesn't wake back up again, we can no longer select neutral. And we need to select neutral to be able to start the car. That allows the starter relay to click over when we press the button there. So our first goal here is we'll put the starter motor back to how we had it, and then we need to trick this transmission control unit to wake up, which we think we can do by flipping over a relay inside this box.